day 353 meditation on becoming a Buddhist. The preliminary examination of a master is a very important step that is often mentioned in Buddhist texts. If one establishes a spiritual connection with a master in an unconsidered way, once the defects of this ill-chosen person come to the surface, one obviously experiences it as a disaster. Nevertheless, once we have received vows and initiations, it is best not to give free rein to negative thoughts. Words to meditate on. Even masters are human. They are doing their best with what they know and according to these principles. Meditate on that. Be your own master.